Now that we know how to create and use a reader sequence, let's go a little bit further in depth to add onto the protocol and also add some configuration steps that will allow us to further define the exact timing which the sequence must execute. Now remember, a reader sequencer is a real-time operation, which means we are defining the sequence and setting it to the CTS3 for it to execute autonomously in real time without waiting for communications back and forth from the PC that we're using. So to add this next protocol step, I'll go back here to line 6. And in the ISO 14443 protocol, after anti-collision comes request answer to select. Now I know that in that protocol, ISO 14443, those request answer to select bytes are E080. So I will add an exchange command here and then go here to the frame and add that E080. I'll let the bits stay the same, number of them set automatically. And I will add the CRC. Now this time, I don't need to wait for the response from the card, so I can change this wait RX to do not wait. And now the sequence will execute, but we won't necessarily wait for the response from the card to make sure that the sequencer executed correctly. Okay, 2 more things. I mentioned the timing. So we'll go back here to our configuration steps, and we'll add a frame delay time step. What this is doing is specifying that the time between when the card last produces its last modulation to the time that we respond has to be within a certain window called the frame delay time. And we can specify that window here. After this, I will add a frame waiting time step. And this specifies the amount of time at which the card must answer after we send it a command. So let's make this 10 microseconds. And now what we've done is made our sequence a little bit more in depth by adding some specific timing and also a last protocol exchange in order to test the card. So let's run this again. Highlight the first step and run it. The sequence is deployed to the CTS3, executed, looks like it executed successfully. And now we have run a reader sequence with specified timing and a little bit longer protocol.